Guys, today I am here to teach you the concept of C++ virtual function. As you can see on the screen, a C++ virtual function is a member function in the base class that you redefine in derived class. It is declared using the virtual keyword. It is used to tell the compiler to perform dynamic linkage or late binding on the function. Late binding is the nothing but the runtime polymorphism and dynamic initialization of variable or member function. So why there is necessity to use the single pointer to refer? Here is a one single pointer of base class refers to all object of different classes. So we create the pointer to base class that refers to all the derived object. But when there is one problem, but when base class pointer contains the address of the derived class object, it's always execute the base class function because it has the pointer of own class means base class. This issue can only resolve by using the virtual function and the preceded by using just a virtual keyword. You are getting it what I am saying. Here is a concept, this virtual function, that is used to resolve the condition when we create the pointer of a class, when pointer of base class, and we pass the address of derived object to the base class. That it will not execute the derived objects member function. It will just execute the functions and the variables of base class because it has the pointer of base class. So to resolve this problem, we use the base class, which we use the virtual class. It is simply declared using the virtual keyword and preceding virtual keyword. It is just used to perform late binding and runtime polymorphism. So let's I am taking one example to get it easily. So let's start it. First our head keyword iostream stream.h include conio.h using namespace. As here is a problem. So that one is, so let's we take one class base publicly we take the value of data type int x equal to 10. There is no need to write a public because we are doing all processing inside the base class, so there is no need. Here is public display the value x is here is complete process of base class, completed base class process. Now we have to create derived class, inherit from base class. I have protected base. Protected. Here we'll take y variable and assign 20. Y display. The value of y is it's time to making main function and main. So this main function is very important for executing this all base class and derived class, so please consider this main function is very important, so carefully watch this. Now I will create the pointer of base class ptr and the derived class object. So here I create the pointer of base class and object of derived class. As we seen in above statement, we use the single pointer to execute all derived member function and variables using the address of that particular class object. So let's give assign the address of, let's let's assign the address of obj to pointer variable, and now here you use to arrow. So you will be get a question in your mind, why I use here arrow. You have a concept of pointer. In every pointer concept, when you are associating variable to pointer, when you are working with address of that particular object, you have to create arrow and then you can access it using this arrow instead of dot operator. Now it's time to give virtual keyword virtual to. I will tell you after this executing of this frozen what happened if we do not use the virtual keyword. First we have to execute it. सो एरर नहीं आना चाहिए, आया है ये डॉट एच, कुछ यहाँ नहीं होता है तो डॉट एच. You can see here the value of y is 20. So you can see here I am just create and I am just pass the address of derived class to the our base class pointer, and it cannot directly access to the base class. It cannot directly access to the base. It cannot directly access the derived class functions or variables by using the base class pointer. So we have concept virtual function to resolve this problem is directly linkage to classes and refers one single pointer of base class to refer all objects and executes it. So let's check without virtual function what happened. You can understand that both concept. So as you can see here, the value of x is 10. So here we have created the object of derived class and the passing the address and pass the address of object to and pass the object of derived class to the base class pointer, yet it is executing the a class point base class pointer. So it is a concept when even creating the object and passing the address to the pointer, it just executing the base class member function and statement. So what happened using virtual is used to refers the it is used to refers the it is used to single pointer refers to all object of classes and execute the base class function. The, we can derive class object directly access can't directly access to the base class, so we have to just use virtual function to executing derive class. So thank you. I hope you understand the concept of virtual function. Bye. Thanks.